Okay. Start. Yes, I'm online. So today I will show the classic workflow about how to load static model into Blender, export it as in the XBuf format, and then load it into the simplest jme3 application, I guess. So first step, download. You can download from the GitHub repository, or click this link. It's a shortcut to this one. Save link as. I already have it, but I will save source name. Just do it's download. Then start Blender. I will start it from console, so you will be able to see. For the pourquoi c'est pas démarré? Starting soon. Ah, okay, so sorry, I got some issue. Okay. I restart. Sorry for being a bit late. Today I will show the simplest workflow, the classic workflow. Load your static model into Blender, export it in XBuf format, and then import it into the simplest jme3 application. So first, download the Blender exporter. Everything is work in progress, so they can be crash. Sorry. Okay, so download, save link as, name it save master3. Save. It's download. I go into Blender. Import your module. Show. I don't already have. Oh, I have, but it's not installed. Let's show nothing in my add-ons. Okay. So install from file. I save it into template here, Blender XBuf master3, install from file. Okay, appear. As you can see, it also appear here. Check the box, close, go back to Blender, and now you have the XBuf render. So I will use a mesh provided by Matthias G. He helped me to find some bug with material loading, asset, etc., and submesh and multi-materials. Thanks, Matthias. So it's a simple house. It's a single object with multi-material as an example. So to export, first step is to define the directory when you want to export texture asset. It's done by switching to xbuf render, and as you can see, the panel property has changed, and you can set up the root of the asset directory. Okay. I will resize the window. Okay. I will save everything in my jmonkey project. Before I'll show you there is no currently asset. Fresh. Okay, I will store asset under src main resources, but it can be the classical asset directory. So let's go. Today I've got a bug with relative path, so take care to uncheck relative path, and then so xbuf, because it is under sample. I will commit the project so you will be able to find it. Main resources, the same there, accept. You can see absolute path here. Then like any other export xbuf. Yes, it's the resolution cannot help, but it's xbuf.xbuf. I will save in the same directory. Sample. No, not this sample one. Sample, simple, RCC, main, resources, and I will name it with the original name with the extension .xbuf. Export. Both. I don't see error message. It's a development version, so I log a lot of information on the console, all the relation between material and meshes, the texture exported, etc., etc. If you go back into Eclipse, refresh, you can see the xbuf file, all the texture. Okay, now the source code of the application. This is simple xbuf. I also open it in an editor to be a little bigger, so you will see it. So to be able to load xbuf, you need this three line. First, to register the xbuf loader for xbuf extension, and then, as usual, you load the model. Blacksmith upload xbuf. Resources is already in the class path, so nothing more. And you also need, I will show you, to register to include xbuf loader. You can download xbuf loader from the jetpack.io repository, so it will be built on demand. So, by example, I used the the latest code available on GitHub. It's the same value as in the project 7BA70, etc. I copy paste it here. I already ran it, so the first time it can take few minutes to compile on Jetpack the jar, if not it's not already available on their repository. Okay, so I have it. Fresh run as Java application. The window open in the show you, and ta-da! You have to be visible. I have to enable an ambient light to 08. So I want to compare with the original. If you render it, you can see it's not the same mesh, but if you render it with the Blender render app, you got pretty similar. Okay, so to load static mesh, that's all you need. I guess it's pretty easy. I will show you now the preview in Blender. I guess it will not crash. I set up a new screen, and I have some issue with Blender and some null pointer. So I will disable. I will stop it. Okay, let's disable. No more data load. Save. Show you. Xbuf. Up. Dark. Back. Stop. To be able to load asset directly into your games, you can. Oh, I already set up. Sorry, you don't need it. I will show you how to use this line. I forgot to remove it. Now you have to open the following code, the following dependency. Sorry. To your code. Open the following dependency. Refresh. See, I go here and ta-dam, I have a bag. Is it available? Oh, xbuf loader. Oh, yeah, I set up to be offline. So hello, assemble. go too quick, sorry. Disable the stuff. Don't need now. I forgot to save that. Simply. Yes, that's it. So, okay. So to be able to use your jme application with all the effects, etc., and to connect to preview your model from Blender into it, you open this two line. It's the most simple, and you register this app state on port 4444, and xbuf, it's the backend who is in charge to load and convert data. So when ready, start it again. Here it is empty. Go into Blender. I hope it will not crash. Back. You switch xbuf render. You don't need to have the same asset root with remote working asset roots. It's sent to the remote viewer directly natively. Okay, so you select xbuf render and wait and see, and in the viewport shading you select render it, and you wait. I hope it will not crash. I didn't test it since I did some change in the code. It crash, yes. Now link material, hide relation. Ah yeah, it crashed, null pointer. Oh, I will fix it tonight. I hope the code will be available in the new version. Oh, and when it crashes, you simply stop the renderer, and Blender is again available. You can reconnect, etc. It's this way I can debug when I am some freeze. Thanks for watching. I will check if I have any questions, else I will stop the record. It seems no questions. If you have any question, contact me on the jme3 forum or open issue. Any contribution is welcome. Thanks. Bye bye.